Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of Austin My underscore 238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday, so we were planning to go on a ride today to work out, but guess what? We're getting severe weather. So we're getting fire danger, we got rain advisory, and severe thunderstorm. Combination of three. So we're gonna have an extreme fire danger. So we're gonna have red flag warning, wind advisory, and severe thunderstorm. So today is not gonna be a great day just to go out. So this is gonna be a horrible day. Alright guys, so I got done watching It's the Donneries, but guess what? We're under a severe thunderstorm watch. So we're under a severe thunderstorm watch until midnight. So yeah, but right now it is all gloomy. I believe it is going to storm. So I believe we're not going to the Y because of severe weather. So I'm afraid I'm not going today because of severe weather. I might get a little chaotic. So yeah, this is actually our first severe thunderstorm of the season. So yeah. So the storm had passed came in. I believe it's gonna be head towards Wichita. So I'm getting a little confused. I'm so confused right now. Got a severe thunderstorm warning for Harvey, Butler, and Morin County until 7 p.m. No alerts will be added to Central County just yet, but I'm trying to keep an eye out. Well, guess what? We're under a severe thunderstorm warning until 7 p.m. for Central County. That's kind of bad. Look at this. Look outside. But it's gonna get bad. Okay, we got another severe thunderstorm warning for Sedgwick County. That is till 9:30. Oh my goodness, this is not good. This is not good. Oh my goodness. It has 60 miles per hour in Nichols Ice Hill. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be bad. This is gonna be bad. This is so bad right now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The first severe thunderstorm warning of the season. Look at this. This is gonna be the one bad night. It's gonna be one bad night. The hair is coming down. The hair is coming down. Oh my. Oh man, this is bad. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that lightning. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. See that? That was thunder. Oh my. That could have been bad. Okay, so they just took off the severe thunderstorm warning, so I'll probably expire at 9:30, but they just took it out. You know, severe thunderstorm warning is in Sumner County right now. So the slow-moving system is gonna be passing over the city where I live. Well, the severe weather has passed, so I'm alive. I'm so relieved. So, oh boy, severe weather has passed. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hopefully I can stay awake just to edit the vlog the week. But I know guys, I gotta go ahead and start wrapping up this vlog, so yeah, tomorrow's gonna be a nice day, so I'm thinking this week we might work out again, or maybe I don't know. So yeah, but earlier while I was watching Quintus on Trends, his internet got messed up, so I just took my time to be patient and calm myself down. And yeah, so good thing his internet is fixed up, good as new here for his stream here. So he did do just chatting stream about what's going to happen, or his vlogs or podcasts, all that stuff. So yeah, but anyway, I gotta go ahead and start wrapping up this vlog. So let me know in the comments down below if you affected from the storm. Just let me know in the comments down below. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And the vlogs will be in the cards right here. And remember, it's all adventure is right to be. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Kim 17's channel. Until next time, peace.